Welcome to the assembly video for our Series N ecological greenhouse. In the following steps, we will walk you through all the instructions you need to set up easily at home. Additional tools and materials required, not included: tools, hammer, screwdriver, spirit level or plumb line, garden hoe and spade. Materials: metal screw clamps and 35-40 cm rebar segments, one per vertical post. Step 1. Open the box and take out the instruction plan. Lay the longest square metal bars on the ground in the area where you will be assembling the greenhouse, placing each piece roughly in the position it will occupy as shown in the plan. Step 2. With the main bars laid out, begin assembling the structure. Raise the first two vertical bars and join them at the top with the corresponding horizontal bar. Add the next two vertical to form the first self-standing module. Continue in the same way, module by module, until the full frame is complete. If any piece does not fit easily, adjust the vertical bars slightly to align them, or use the hammer carefully to seat the joints. Step 3. Using the adjustable wrench and Allen key included in the box, bolt all the bars together with the provided screws and nuts. Important: always insert screws from the outside inward so that the tip ends up inside the structure and does not damage the mesh we will fit later. Step 4. Bolt the short diagonal bars in the same way, following the positions shown in the plan and maintaining the outside to inside screw orientation for those on the exterior of the structure. These bars provide rigidity and strength to the frame. Step 5. Using a spirit level or alternatively a plumb line, check that all vertical bars are perfectly plumb and aligned with each other. Step 6. Drive the rebar segment into the ground next to each vertical post using the hammer. Then fit the metal clamp around the post and rebar and tighten it firmly to secure the entire structure to the ground. Step 7. Using the garden hoe, dig a trench around the full rectangular perimeter of the structure. Leave only the section corresponding to the greenhouse door unexcavated. This trench will be used to anchor the mesh to the ground in the next step. Step 8. Unroll the anti-thrips mesh and locate the door zips. This will allow you to orient it correctly depending on which side you want the entrance. Also, identify the mesh seams, which must face inward. To achieve this, hold the mesh by its upper corners, slide it carefully over the structure, and flip it over so the seams end up on the inside and the door is in the right position. Step 9. Bury the bottom edges of the mesh in the perimeter trench and cover them progressively with soil using the spade, working symmetrically on all sides to tension the mesh evenly and ensure it remains centered and taut. And that's it! Your Series N greenhouse is now fully assembled and ready for growing. You can roll up the door panel to ventilate the interior whenever needed. We hope you enjoy it. For more information and technical details, visit our website. See you in the next video.